Hey, how's it going? This is Owen with MySlumberyard.com, and today we're going to be doing a review of the Leesa Hybrid Mattress. So Leesa is one of the biggest online mattress brands you can find. They make 3 different beds. They have their flagship all-foam affordable original Leesa mattress. They have a really upgraded premium mattress called Leesa Legend that has 2 layers of coils. And then they have their more middle tier mattress called Leesa Hybrid. It used to be called Sapira, and we're just going to go over all the big things you need to know about this bed. How firm is it? What's it made of? What does it feel like? And how much does it cost? If this video helps you out at all, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Slumber Yard, and be sure to check in the description for our full written review of this mattress, the original Leesa, Leesa Legend, and basically any other mattress you've ever heard of on our website, MySlumberyard.com. All right, let's get into it.
So you want a new mattress, but you don't know what to do. Which bed in a box will be the right one for you? We'll tell you how they're made and share their firmness and feel, and make sure you're cashing in on the greatest deal. With so many beds online, we're here to save you time. Making that choice can be so hard, that's why you go to the Slumber Yard.
All right, let's quickly run through all the policy information you're gonna get should you decide to pick up Leesa Hybrid. You're gonna get totally free shipping. You're gonna get a 100-night test window to try out the mattress in the comfort of your own bedroom. Should you decide in that 100 nights you don't want it anymore, you get totally free returns. Should you keep it, they back it with a 10-year warranty. Getting free shipping and returns is probably one of the biggest reasons people are buying beds online so much these days. And returns work like they say they do. You don't have to keep the box, you don't have to ship it back to them somehow. A lot of people are confused by that. What they'll usually do is they'll just send out a local charity to pick up your mattress, and they actually donate it to a person in need. So let's get into the construction of Leesa Hybrid, which should inform you more about what it actually feels like. So it starts off with a thin layer of support foam, and as you probably guessed by the name, it has a 6-inch layer of pocketed coils. Pocketed coils are different than your traditional innerspring system that you might be used to. Instead of being one big unit, the coils are individually wrapped and then woven together, so you still get that bounce and durability and support that you get with innersprings, but without as much motion transferring through the mattress. This also means it's going to be a good option for heavier people. It's not specifically made for heavy people like a Safa HD or Big Fig, but if you're in the 230-pound range, Leesa Hybrid is going to be a better pick than the original Leesa. Also, we'll try and link some of our favorite beds for heavier people down below in the description. Above those coils, you have a layer of transition foam, so you don't really feel those coils as much, a layer of memory foam for added pressure relief, and then a layer of aerated responsive neutral foam. The cover is also really nice. It's really soft to the touch and has this cool design, and it has that 3 stripes that Leesa's kind of known for. You're not really gonna pick a mattress for what the cover looks like, but we here at the Slumber Yard appreciate features like that. So the construction of Leesa Hybrid adds up to it having a pretty neutral feel. It doesn't really feel like memory foam at all, despite the fact that it has a memory foam layer. You're not really gonna sink into the memory foam, but you will get some additional pressure relief from it. Leesa Hybrid just feels like a soft foam bed, but the addition of those coils make it extra bouncy and responsive. We often say beds like Leesa Hybrid feel kind of bland, but that's not meant to be a bad thing. It's really accommodating, and it's probably not going to alienate many sleepers out there. I bet most people who lay down on this mattress will think it's pretty comfortable, even if it's not exactly what you were looking for in your next mattress. It's just a safe, neutral, accommodating feel. But what about the firmness level of Leesa Hybrid? It is a bit firmer than the original. We have it somewhere between a medium and a medium firm. We think it should work for all sleeper types, back, stomach, side, and combination, with one small caveat. Mattress firmness is kind of subjective based on weight. When we're testing beds, we try to skew it more toward the average size person. But if you're like a big dog like me or JD, you'll probably feel like this mattress is softer. If you're more petite, like in the 120-pound range, you'll probably think it's pretty firm. So I can sleep pretty comfortably on my side on Leesa Hybrid, but if you're more petite, it might not be as soft as you want it to be. Also, because Leesa Hybrid is a bit of a firmer mattress and it has those pocketed coils, it's going to do a solid job at regulating temperature. You won't really be sinking into it, so less of the material is touching your body to reflect heat back onto you, and the coils allow for a lot more airflow, so it should stay mostly temperature neutral throughout the night. Before we talk about price, let's take a quick second to talk about our monthly mattress giveaway. We give away a brand new queen size bed at the Slumber Yard every single month. We've been doing it for about 2 years. If you want to know how you can win, check down below in the description. All the details will be down there. Best of luck to you. So what is the pricing of the Leesa Hybrid mattress? Well, it's not crazy expensive, but it's not really in that budget tier like the original mattress is. The MSRP for a queen size Leesa Hybrid is about $1,700, But Leesa does offer discounts on this mattress most of the year. Check down below in the description for anything we might be able to find. We think when all is said and done, you'll be paying closer to $1,500 for this mattress. So not crazy expensive, but not in that affordable tier either. If you sleep with a partner and everything I've said up to now sounds good, you think the firmness sounds good and the feel, and it fits your budget, you're gonna wanna know two big important things when it comes to sleeping with a partner: edge support and motion isolation. Edge support is pretty important if you share a smaller size mattress like a full or a queen, because you want to be able to access the entire sleeping surface. On some beds, if you get closer to the edge of the mattress, you might get sort of a roll-off sensation. You're not really going to get that with Leesa Hybrid. It has strong coils, and the fact that it's firmer gives you solid edge support. Motion isolation is pretty good. It's gonna be better than your traditional innerspring bed, but it's not gonna do as good of a job as an all foam bed would, just to the nature of the coils being bouncier. If you're an extremely light sleeper, like a dog barking 2 blocks away might wake you up, you might have an issue, but I think the vast majority of people will be just fine. And that's pretty much it for Leesa Hybrid. If you're looking for a supportive coil bed with more of a soft, neutral feel that's also pretty bouncy and responsive, Leesa Hybrid is a great option. If you want to learn more about it, check down below in the description for our full written reviews. And if you want to know how it compares to all the other Leesa mattresses, go over to our website, myslumberyard.com. Ton of information over there. And be sure to check out our mattress deals page. We're usually really good at helping people save money on their next mattress. Anyways, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.